Hi, this is Wylock, grade 3, lesson 6. So, the first question says use subtraction to find the difference. So, let's look at question number 1. It's 897 minus 656. So, this is easy because all the numbers at the top are bigger than the second numbers. So, you don't have to take any from the tens or the hundreds. So, 6 minus 1. Remember, you always want to start from left to right, or right to left. Right to left. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Go to the next set. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Then 8 minus 6 equals 2. Simple. Get 241. Let's get question number 2. Or sorry, not question number 2. Page number 2. Okay, so let's look at question number 8 and 4. Okay, so for these type of questions with parentheses and a bunch of different little symbols, you want to use PEMDAS. PEMDAS. This is an acronym for the order to solve questions in this kind of type. So the P stands for parentheses. The E stands for exponents, so like a number 2 with the exponent of 4, something like that. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. So if you look at number 8, you see you have a subtraction symbol. You have parentheses. And you also have an addition symbol. So if you have parentheses and you have a symbol on the inside, it's telling you to solve that symbol first before you solve the next one. So in this case, they want you to do addition first. So let's add 10 plus 43. You get 53. Okay, so you're going to move on to the second number. So you get the next symbol, 69 minus 53. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. And 6 minus 5 equals 1. So the answer to this question is 16. And let's go to number 4. Just like this one, use PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So in this one, you have, again, parentheses. You have addition. And you have subtraction. And again, there's a symbol inside. There's a parentheses. So the problem wants you to solve for this equation first. So 54 minus 34. You get 20. You move on to the second symbol, which is this addition symbol right here. So 25 plus 20 equals 40. So the answer to this question is 40. Okay, move on to page number 3. And for this one, we'll do question number 1. Use subtraction to find the missing number. So you want to put the first number over the second number. So we go 6.94 minus 4.28. The 4 is smaller than the 8, so we take a 10 from the 9. Pretend the decimals aren't here, so we can add it later. So pretend they aren't there, so this would be like the hundredths, the tenths, and the ones. So take a 10 from the tenths, you get 8, add it to the ones, you get a 14. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Drop down the decimal point now. And then 6 minus 4 equals 2. So for the answer, you get $2.66. Let's actually do question number 8 or 7 for review. You're gonna take this number right here. Since it's addition, you want to take the total and subtract one of the little factors from it. So 936 minus 867. So 6 is smaller than 7, so we go to the tenths. But 3 is also less than 6, so we go to the hundredths. So 9, take a hundredth from 9, and we get 8 hundredths. Take the hundredth and bring it over to the tenth, so we get 13 minus 6. And then we take a tenth from the 6, so we get a 12. Or take a tenth from the 13th, so we get a 12. Then we add it over to the 16, or 6, so we get 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 equals 9. 12 minus 6 equals 6. 8 minus 8 cancel out. So we got 69 as the answer. 867 plus 69 equals 936. Go to the last one. We'll do question number 2 and number 4. So the library was built 8 years. 8 years before, so 8 years minus 8 years before the post office was built. The post office was built in 1973. So how old was the library in 1987? So we want to take 8 years away from this date, because years get smaller if you get smaller when you go before time. So you want to take 8 years away from when the post office was built, because it was built before. So we'll take 1973 and subtract 8 from it. 3 minus 8, 3 is less than 8, so we take from the tenths, get a 6. The 13 minus 8 equals 5. Bring down the 6, bring down the 9, bring down the 1. So the library was built in 1965, but we want to know how old the library was in 1987, so we take the difference. 1987 minus 1965. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 9 cancel out, 1 cancels out. So it was 22 years old. And then number 4. Ronald wants to buy a favor, so 1 favor for each child that attends his birthday party. He invites 19 girls and 23 boys. How many favors should he buy? So we need to find the total amount of children that came to his party. So 19 girls plus 23 boys. 9 plus 3 equals 12. 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 4. So 42 children attended, but he wants to buy 1 favor for each child. So you can just multiply 42 by 1 to just sort of steps, but we already know that 42 times 1 equals 1, or like the number equals the number, a number times 1 equals a number. So gets 42. You should buy 42 party favors. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.